Good morning, happy Friday. Um, let's get started. So right here, hint, remember, whenever you have a green space, you are going to be writing in the box that they give you. So the activity for today, this week you read two texts that explore ideas about identity and self. How do people become who they are? How are we shaped by the things that happen to us? Today you will review a writing prompt, develop a claim, and identify evidence to support this claim. You'll write a complete response to the prompt. So here are the directions, the general directions. First, you're going to identify evidence that will support your response to this week's essential question. Next, you're going to develop a claim in response to the prompt. And then you're going to choose and explain evidence that supports your claim. And then you're going to complete your essay using the handout that I'm going to give to you. If you need additional help with this activity, go to slide 5 and review your work for the week. I'm actually going to go through all of the slides, so you'll see slide 5 with me. Translated instructions, if you need them to be translated, all you do is click these links and it translates all the instructions for you. So this week you read two texts, The Outsiders and Won't You Celebrate With Me. Both are linked here. So if you need to go back to those texts, feel free to go back to those texts and review them. I'm assuming you're going to need to because you're going to be gathering evidence. Oh, geez. So both of these texts are linked right here if you click these links. All right, so a claim is a statement that can be argued and backed up by evidence. Watch the video on the right for a reminder of how to develop a claim. In the case of today's activity, you'll be drawing your evidence to support your claim from the text that you read this week. So this is basically just going to tell you how to write your main statement for your paper, for your writing. So if you need to watch it, feel free. Most of you, I feel like we're okay with writing papers as far as creating a main claim. So I think we should be okay with doing this. If you need extra help, please, please, please ask me. I will say that this is a 3-paragraph essay that you're going to have to do today that you are not familiar with because you're usually doing 5-paragraph essays. So if you need help with this, please just let me know. Okay. This week you've been reading, did I skip something? No, okay. This week you've been reading about characters and narrators searching for a sense of self and gathering evidence to support your ideas. Today you're going to write an essay presenting your ideas, read the prompt, and in the green space that follows, paraphrase the prompt in 2 or 3 sentences. So here's your prompt right here. You're going to read that, and then you're going to paraphrase it, or break it down, is the wording that we usually use with this. You're going to break down the prompt in this text box right here, where you can type in. So in the final paragraph of The Outsiders excerpt, Cherry states, "You know, sometimes I catch myself talking to a girlfriend and I realize I don't mean half of what I'm saying." Drogo, shh. Hey, come here. The dog's barking. Statement reflects the themes surrounding the difficult search for identity explored in both The Outsiders and the poem Won't You Celebrate With Me. Consider the following question. What challenges do young people face when developing their own sense of identity or self? Write evidence from one or both of the texts to support your claim. Come here. Come here. Come here. So again, you're going to break down the prompt here. You're going to paraphrase it, and you're going to determine what it means in this box right here. Okay. All right, so then you're going to start gathering your evidence. So you broke down the prompt here. You understand what it's asking you, or at least in theory, you're supposed to understand what it's asking you after you've broken it down. And then you're going to gather your evidence. In your work on days 1, 3, and 4, you gathered evidence to help you answer the essential question. Now I want you to go back and review your work. Find at least 3 quotes that best explain the challenges you think teenagers face when creating their own identity or sense of self. Write the name of the text in parentheses as shown in the model below. So they're giving you an example of a text that is of a piece of text evidence. The one thing that I will say, when they're giving you this example, the period always goes out to the parentheses. So make sure that you remember that, okay? So this is where you're going to gather your evidence. You're going to start writing your evidence. It's kind of like your second read, where you go through and you start thinking about what evidence might be helpful in writing an essay, and you're going to end up actually kind of narrowing it down. Okay, so you're writing evidence in here, and then you're going to put the name of the text inside of the parentheses on the outside. Okay. So now you must develop your own claim in response to the prompt. Reread the prompt and state your response in 2 or 3 sentences. All right. So in the final paragraph of The Outsiders, Cherry states, "You know, sometimes I catch myself talking to a girlfriend and I realize I don't mean half of what I'm saying. This statement reflects the theme surrounding the difficult search for identity explored in both The Outsiders and the poem Won't You Celebrate With Me? Consider the following question. What challenges do young people face when developing their own sense of identity or self? Use evidence from any or all of the texts you read this week to support your claim." So you're answering the question of what challenges do young people face when developing their own sense of identity or self? That is the main question that you're going to answer here. Okay? You're going to answer it by using some of the text evidence that you have gathered from this week's work. So they gave you some sentence frames as far as like beginning your creating your claim. Teenagers face many challenges or teenagers can struggle to find their identity because. So that's kind of a way that you can start your claim off. Computer's so slow. There we go. All right, so your claim is going to get copied here. And then in the space below, choose one quote you listed on slide 5 and explain how it supports your claim above. So those quotes that you list on slide 5, they shouldn't just be so that you can get credit for the fact that you put something on the slides. Okay? They should be there to help you narrow your evidence down to what's actually the best quote that you can use to support your claim. Okay? So they're giving you a spot here to put your quote, and then your spot here is to explain your quote. And this is another slide for another quote. So you're writing 3 paragraphs, so technically you only need 1 quote. So I think that this is kind of just trying to get you to make a couple of different, or to show a couple of different explanations to you so you can kind of determine which one is easier. So if the first quote you put in, you had a really hard time explaining how it supports your claim, but then the second quote, you find that it's much, much easier, then I would use the quote that you've used in the second quote box, okay? Keep that in mind. It's kind of like practicing a little bit so that you can see which one is going to work best. Now you're going to take the claim you created and the evidence you identified and write 3 paragraphs developing and supporting your claim. So it says open the document entitled, I'm going to give you that document, but I'm going to show you it right now. So here's the document. Don't worry about this one. We missed the work this day, so worry about these 2 texts. In the final paragraph of The Outsiders, Cherry states, "You know, sometimes I catch myself talking to a girlfriend and I realize I don't mean half of what I'm saying. The statement reflects the theme surrounding the difficult search for identity explored in both The Outsiders and the poem You Won't Celebrate With Me. Consider the following question. What challenges do young people face when developing their sense of identity or self? Use evidence from the texts you've read this week to support your claim." Okay, so again, that was the prompt. The prompt is asking you to answer the main question that we've been talking about all week. So you're going to write your essay in the boxes here. You don't need to write it in a different document. All you need to do is write your essay in the boxes right here. So you're going to, in your introduction, put the claim that you wrote on your slides. And if you need to, it's giving you like little hook statements that you can use. You know how to write an introduction. Okay, so use your introduction, or use the way that we usually write our introductions to write your introduction. Okay? And then remember, this is only a 3-paragraph essay, so you don't need to write more than 3 paragraphs. My computer, my goodness. There we go. Okay. So, for your body paragraph, it says make sure you include a topic sentence, which is your point, okay, and then include your evidence, which is your E in Peels, and then explain your evidence. So your link, as far as creating or putting in a link, you don't necessarily have to. It can just be one of those things where you put a concluding sentence. So when I ask you to write a Peels paragraph just on its own, I usually just ask you to use a concluding sentence for the link. You're going to do the same thing here. Okay. So P, E, E, and then the link is going to be your concluding sentence. And then your concluding paragraph is going to be restating your claim, all that kind of stuff. So it's 3 paragraphs. You just need to write 3 paragraphs. You just need one piece of evidence. You just need to explain that one piece of evidence, and then you should be good. All right, so if you have any questions, which I'm assuming that you will, please make sure that you ask. Understand that I am fully aware of the fact that writing an essay is much different at home than writing an essay is in school. So I'm going to be understanding of the fact that it's going to be pretty difficult for some of you. Okay, so don't go crazy thinking that like I'm going to be very harsh grading these. I'm going to be understanding of everyone's circumstances here, because I know that writing an essay is difficult while you're in class, let alone while you're at home. Okay, so take your time, put in your best effort, and I will see you on Monday.